really
replay.
fun.
Did you shoot yet?
Yes, I did, and I love it.
You like it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
A first time ever.
All right.
Yeah? All right.
2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Uncle Tim with the M1A.
Oh.
Dad.
Here we go. The ubiquitous 1022. Are you done there? When you go shooting, you got to be sure you're properly equipped. Here's Teresa, properly equipped with the aviators and the Mickey Mouses and a fake gardenia, and she's got the right shoes on and everything. Maybe sometimes she would want to have long pants, but that's okay. Kevin, on the other hand, everything's
all right. Looks like everyone's back from downrange.
Until you get down to the bottom.
You can now step forward to the bench and commence your fire.
Penny loafers.
If you're going to move any guns, make sure to do so with the barrel pointed up, actions open, and your finger off the trigger. The shooting session starts now.
Starts now. Okay, get in there. Okay, do you know how to actually put the clip in the gun? Hold this and I'll show you.
Show me, yeah.
Okay. Now, just like that.
You
like
really didn't
that.
show me. Okay,
Put your ear protection on, Tim.
yeah, put that on.
Okay, like that. Okay, the safety is on. All you have to do to fire it is press that button, aim, and pull the trigger. Don't.
Looking at the black.
You're pointing at the last one on this end. You want to do it while you're seated, probably. Kevin, you know this how to get a sight picture on this, right?
Yeah.
That arrow needs to be pointed directly at that little bead, which is on the target. Now I'll shut up.
Take your time. Take a breath.
It looked like it ruined your day. But then we start, and we got
Yay.
Oh, nice shot. Nice shot.
I didn't eject it, bro.
Okay, set down.
Wow.
I'll take
What is that? 3 on the block? Right on. Okay, you want to count them and not do that last one. Okay, 10 rounds. Teresa? Yeah, Teresa.
Yeah.
You have to wait 3 seconds between shots or the ranged troll will come down and give you a hard time. No rapid fire.
What?
No rapid fire. You're going to wait 3 seconds between shots.
Okay.
That's 10. Okay, we're getting ready to go down and take our targets down. Kevin, we got out there, we got it on the end. Kevin put 20 rounds into it, I put 10, and he's getting remarkably good with that ancient 1022 of mine. We'll show you that here in a second.
We love it. It's good.
This place is a regular garden spot. I mean, look at it. Looks like you're inside a mine or something.
It's kind of like.
Doesn't it? Looks like you're inside a mine.
It's kind of like the.
You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
Alrighty, folks, range is safe. You can go down, check, or change your targets. Do not approach any shooting benches or touch any guns while the red lights are on. And if you're done shooting,
Grab
please put
that
up a clean
thing,
target
yeah.
for the next person.
It's kind of like the underground garden.
It's the underground garden shooting range, is what it is.
Kind of nasty. But, you know, look at that. I was all over that, man.
You were all over that like a stink on you know what. Yeah, right there. There's my group with Tim's M1A, which is pretty good.
That is fantastic.
Yeah. I was getting a better sight picture with that than I was with my gun, just because of the way the light is here. Okay, and that one was with the 22, 1 and 1. That's a nice little group down there. That's not so good, but yeah, that's not bad. If you count those, there'll be close to 30 rounds in that, because Kevin put 20 in it and I put 10 into it.
Nice grouping.
Okay, here's the gun everybody talks about. There's your 50 caliber. It's one the military uses for sniping. You can rent this and shoot one round to it for $25. What a deal.